Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to apply free shipping for US states and Canada province in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So you can select US specific state or Canada specific province or multiple province or state according to your requirement. So we are going to apply free shipping. Now you see subtotal $30, shipping flat rate $90. We select US. So we are going to apply free shipping for US specific or multiple states or Canada specific or multiple provinces. Now go to WooCommerce setting and we are in shipping tab, and then you see we have zone name everywhere. Everywhere include all countries, and then you see flat rate shipping method we use. So we are going to create new shipping zone, and then we are going to add US states and Canada province name. So click on add zone. So now we are going to create free shipping zone, and after creating we are going to rearrange order of our shipping zone in WooCommerce settings shipping tab, and then you see zone name, zone region. So you can add zone name. So we added zone name free shipping US, Canada, state or province, and then you see zone region. Now select. So you can select according to requirement. So we added United States, and then you see Alabama, Alaska, Arizona. So you can select according to requirement. Now you see Arizona, US selected. Again write United States. Now you see California, Colorado. So you can select according to requirement. Now write here Canada, and then you see Canada province, British Columbia. We select. So you can select according to requirement. So you can add specific or multiple, and then you see shipping method. So we are going to add shipping method. Now select free shipping and then click on continue, and then you see set up free shipping. So you can add name free shipping required. So we select no requirement and then click on create and save. Now you see enable and changes save done. So we select Arizona, California, British Columbia. Now go to shipping zone again. So we are going to rearrange order. So we are in shipping zone again, and then you see we have two shipping zone everywhere. Everywhere include these states and province also. So this free shipping method priority second. So we are going to rearrange it. Now drag and drop here, position change. So we change priority and we set first priority for this. So when user select Arizona, California and British Columbia, so then free shipping method apply. Now go to cart page. Now you see US. First refresh the page. So we are in cart page, and then you see shipping flat rate $90. So we are going to change address. So we select US. Now select Arizona and then click on update. Now you see free shipping method apply for Arizona state. Again click on change address. Now select another state we don't add. So we select Maryland and then click on update again. And then you see again shipping method flat rate $90 apply for Maryland state for US. So in this way you can apply free shipping for US states or Canada province according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.